This is the stock Scion car alarm, and I pretty much just tapped into the LED that would normally be in here. You can see it right there. Let me see if I can point it to it. I'm actually looking inside my car. There's a little reflection. I don't know if that's better. Anyways, I mounted them here on the door card, so if anybody's walking up to the car, it's actually more visible from that perspective. I don't know, for me it's just a nice little touch. You have some OEM manufacturers that put it there anyways, and that's where I mounted mine. I'll post the blog up on a DIY, but basically you take the door card off and you tap into the Scion security.